Hey there, it's Virgin Canucks. This is the box break for the 10-11 The Cup. Auction ended yesterday. It's Monday, October 17th at about 6:23 to be exact. And opening the box for security or confidentiality, I will not say the name of the user, but I appreciate the payment and I hope you get lots of good cards in here. Without any more delay, we're gonna do the break. Just to confirm that. A little blurry. Let's see if it will. I'll take a picture just. There you go. As soon as it's gone, it came back. Okay, and that's your box. Put that away. That's your box, sealed. That side. That's the serial number. That was on the auction. 924. There's the other side. Sealed, sealed, sealed. Okay, I hope you get good cards here. Good luck, buddy. I guess I should have opened it from that side, huh? Sorry. Okay, good luck. Ryan Getzlaf base card, 94 out of 249. Jamie McBain patch auto. Jamie McBain. Numbered out of 249, 219 out of 249. Marian Gaborik, 29 out of 75. Marian Gaborik. Oh my God. Wow, that's a great hit. Bobby Orr and Johnny Boatchick. That's a great hit. That's a great hit. That is a great hit. I don't know if it's, yeah, it's number 19 out of 25. 19 out of 25. There is the rookie, autograph rookie, Henrik Karlsson, 214 out of 249. And the last card is a patch of Ron Francis, 2 out of 10, a quad patch. You see a little colors here of Ron Francis, and that is 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. I'll go back over the cards again one more time. Wow, that Bobby Orr is still shocker. There's Ryan Getzlaf, 94 out of 249. Jamie McBain, triple patch, rookie auto, 219 out of 249. Marian Gaborik, triple patch, 29 out of 75. The best one, Bobby Orr and Johnny again, Buchik from the Bruins, Stanley Cup signatures, 19 out of 25. Rookie, autograph rookie, Henrik Karlsson, 214 out of 249. And last but not least, the quad patch Cup foundation of Ron Francis, Hartford Failures. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I did. Certainly, I enjoyed the break, and there was good cards in there. And